Alrighty, well welcome back to Batanian Builds. Today I have an axe handle, I have this hewing axe head, and today we're going to go ahead and try to restore this. It's been sitting in my garage for like probably half a year, 8 months. But finally, I'm going to get to it, I'm going to fix this axe up, and we are going to restore it to its former glory. So first I'm going to get all this rust off, and then try to fit the handle to it, and then sharpen it. And that'll pretty much be our whole video. So, let's do it. Alrighty, well I got this a little bit cleaned up. I got some rust spray, so just getting those little cracks and places where I couldn't get in with the wire brush. I'm going to spray it down, try to get all the rust out. I'm going to leave this kind of pattern right here, and I kind of blended it up from the edge where it was all the way polished. Blended the back just so it was a little smoother. And then the reason I ground that all down to that shape and kind of reprofiled that is just because there were some huge cracks in there, so I actually had to grind some of them out and then try to weld some of them up, just to give it a little bit more support. At one point, I think it was like this corner, that whole corner was chipped out, so I just filled that in. A little bit of weld, and yeah, I think it went pretty well. I'm going to spray some of that rust stuff on there and try to get some of that residual rust that's still on there off. So that is the plan. Let's do it. Alrighty, well that concludes this video. Thank you for watching. I had a ton of fun working on this restoration of this hewing axe. Normally on a hewing axe, handle's offset, but I didn't have an offset handle and I didn't think I was going to be able to do a good job of hanging this axe while trying to offset just a regular axe handle. So, did the best with what I had. I think it looks awesome. This is only my third time ever hanging an axe head, and this is by far my most successful attempt at doing that. So I'm really happy with how this turned out. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did enjoy the video, hit that like button. If you want to see more videos like this one, subscribe. And until next time, thank you for watching. Bye-bye.